Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan GT, stock number E1160P. 20,000 miles on this Grand Caravan. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Black Onyx Crystal Pearl in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. This Grand Caravan seats 7 with a leather interior. Stow and go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Lots of overhead storage with aimable LED lights and rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo, or room for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can, of course, fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Power liftgate and sliding doors have pinch protection, automatically reverse if anything gets in the way, to make sure nothing gets damaged and no one gets hurt. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for latch system to keep child seats completely secure. And you have all the additional storage space when they're in the upright position. This GT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, and never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control, along with heated seats, as well as heated steering wheel, great for those cold winter days. Lots of storage space in the center console. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead, liftgate and sliding door controls. HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. And conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan has a 3.6-liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's quick glance. Anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.